In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up pre-orders on Squarespace. If you're looking to create anticipation for your upcoming products or gauge interest before committing to a larger inventory, pre-orders can be a powerful tool. We're going to walk you through this straightforward process step by step, so you feel confident and ready to start. First, let's begin by navigating to your Squarespace homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Products and Services section. This is where you manage all your offerings, so it plays a pivotal role in setting up pre-orders. Let's click on it to get started. In the Products and Services menu, you'll find an option simply labeled Products. Go ahead and click on this. It's here that you'll be able to add new items, manage current inventories, and configure any pre-sale strategies you have in mind. Next, we'll be clicking on the Add Product button. It's time to introduce your new upcoming item to the world. When you click on this button, you'll notice a few different product types you can choose from, such as physical items, services, or digital downloads. Since we're focusing on pre-orders, go ahead and click on Download Add-ons. This is not just for digital products. As of now, it serves as a placeholder step in the setup. It's time to fill up your pre-order details. Think of this as setting the stage. Enter your product name, price, and a captivating description that outlines what excited customers can expect. Once you've added these details, it's essential to fill up any forms associated with the pre-order. These would typically include customer information fields or any specific questions you might want to ask them to enhance their pre-order experience and make efficient future decisions. Now, don't forget to add an image or two. Visuals play a huge role in driving engagement and sales, so select high-quality images that truly showcase what you're offering. Whether it's a prototype photo or a striking graphic, make sure it's eye-catching and relevant. After that, it's crucial to set up your inventory. This involves indicating the number of units available for pre-order and any related settings that ensure you don't oversell. Squarespace makes this easy by letting you input stock levels and will automatically manage availability for you. Finally, let's focus on setting up the organization. Here, you'll categorize your product to keep everything neat and accessible both for you and your customers. Once everything looks just right, simply click Save. And there you have it, a complete pre-order setup ready to intrigue and engage your audience on Squarespace. Following these steps will allow your product to be available for pre-order, engaging your customers before the full launch. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!